was a mild but windy autumn day on the morning of October 15th, 2023, as 170 volunteers from local companies, schools, and NPO organizations set sail to the island of Teshima. Departing from both Okayama and Kagawa prefectures, these volunteers gathered on a scenic pebble beach in the heart of the Seto Sea for one purpose: to collect the mounds of waste that had washed ashore. These volunteers ranged in age from young school children to senior citizens. Some journeyed from Kyoto to take part in this event, while a few came from as far away as Canada and Australia. 2 garbage trucks also made this voyage to the isolated northern shoreline of Teshima. This cleanup program was initiated in 2008 by the Land History Club at Sanyo Gakuen Junior and Senior High School in Okayama. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus pandemic, this volunteer activity was cancelled in 2020, until being reinitiated for this event. This occasion was also the first time that the Prefecture of Kagawa took part in this program, joining forces with Okayama Prefecture in the shared aim of cleaning up the Seto Sea. As the wind blew and the waves crashed, everyone worked hard, gathering up as much garbage as they could, filling bag after bag with cans, bottles, plastic wrappers, and some more interesting items. Working together, over 2 tons of waste was collected in a single hour. Both garbage trucks were quickly filled, with the collected garbage spilling over into a third pickup truck. Without the effort and goodwill of these volunteers and the ship captains bearing through the high waves, this cleanup would not have been possible. In the future, these garbage cleanup events are being planned for various locations throughout the Seto Inland Sea.